Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling a problem that a viewer encountered when working with C#'s PriorityQueue. The viewer was puzzled by a particular piece of code and needed some guidance. The problem involved sorting a specific array and using a priority queue with a custom comparer. The array to be sorted was 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, and the priority queue was set up with a comparer that compared the second elements of the arrays. Let's dive into the solution for the problem. The viewer was confused by the line of code pq.Enqueue, array1, array1. In this scenario, the priority queue class allows for different types for the element and the priority value. Since the element type and the priority type were the same in this case, the call to enqueue meant that the value array1, an int array, should be added to the queue, with its priority also being array1. The priority queue instance would then sort the entries based on the provided comparer. In summary, we've explored how the priority queue in C# can handle elements with different types for the element and priority values. The specific line of code pq.Enqueue array1 array1 added an int array to the queue, with its priority set as the value of array1, all according to the provided comparer. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Who knows, maybe you'll get a shout out in the next video. See you next time.